Today we're at the home of Robbie and Frances Raybon in beautiful Midtown Columbus. Enjoy! Robbie and Frances Raybon's traditional Georgian home, built in 1980, has been a place of warmth, style, and family memories since they purchased it in 2015. Drawn to the home's classic white brick exterior, freshly updated just before they moved in, and its solid, well-constructed interior, the couple also loved the family-friendly neighborhood and the private yard, a haven for their 3 children and 2 English Cocker Spaniels, Weller and Betsy. A lush arrangement of ferns and hydrangeas styled by Betsy Ilgis in an antique porcelain bowl brings natural beauty to the space, while portraits of the Raybon children by Amy Childre add a personal, intimate touch. Above an antique buffet hangs a striking sunburst mirror flanked by 2 ginger jar lamps from Avila with white birds and flowers. The dining room takes its cue from Schumacher's Madame de Pompadour wallpaper, setting an elegant tone. A jute rug with a subtle diamond pattern from Tom Phillips floor covering softens the hardwood floors, complemented by light blue velvet chairs from Ballard Designs. In the family's living room, a pair of Lee Industries Chesterfield sofas flank the limestone mantel, above which hangs a custom painting by Frances's sorority sister, artist Renee Bouchon. The built-in bookshelves display a curated mix of rose medallion and oxblood porcelain pieces, adding color and character. The sofas are accented with pillows in a Brunswick and Fee fabric featuring an Asian-inspired motif, alongside a bold black and white buffalo check. Grounding the space, a custom diamond pattern rug from Tom Phillips floor covering completes the sophisticated look. From the very beginning, Robbie and Frances infused their home with comfort and elegance, enlisting the help of friends and designers like Sarah Romeo, James Farmer, and Maggie Griffin. Maggie, in particular, guided the most recent renovation and decorating updates in 2023 to 2024, which transformed both the interior and exterior into the family's dream space. Robbie's study is enveloped in a rich forest green grass cloth and anchored by a diamond-patterned seagrass rug from Tom Phillips floor covering. A leather Chesterfield sofa and a pair of wool plaid armchairs lend the space a warm, masculine character, while a bold drum pendant trimmed in leather adds a refined touch. Custom Lee Jofa pillows featuring flying ducks coordinate with the draperies designed by Maggie Griffin, bringing pattern and personality to the room. At the center, an antique coffee table features another floral arrangement by Betsy Ilges. Remodeled by Johnny Cargill, the Raybon's laundry room combines function and style with custom cabinetry and painted glazed black brick floors. Maggie Griffin selected the paint color and wall covering, while the washer and dryer from Daniel Appliance complete this chic and practical space. The spacious kitchen was originally remodeled by Johnny Cargill and later enhanced with Zalige tiles by builder Tim Gregory. Above the custom-built marble island, 2 Edgar Reeves pendant lights hang, fitted with custom Brunswick and Fee fabric shades. The cabinets, painted in a soft Farrah and Ball light blue, harmonized beautifully with the painted glazed black brick floors. A Wolf 5-burner gas range oven, along with all other appliances, were sourced from Daniel Appliance. 2 Ushak runners add a layer of warmth and softness to the space. The furnishings reflect a layered and personal style. Family antiques inspired by Francis's uncle, the legendary furlough gatewood, mixed effortlessly with newly installed pieces from Maggie Griffin and carefully collected finds from over the years. The result is a home that feels curated but lived in, elegant yet approachable. Off the family room, a built-in bar designed by Tim Gregory showcases custom cabinetry topped with a rich black walnut countertop from Valley Fir. The striking Grand Flying Duck wallpaper by Lee Joffa, chosen by Maggie Griffin, provides a playful contrast to the painted glazed black brick floors, creating a space that is both stylish and inviting. Family room is wrapped in a Philip Jeffries grass cloth wall covering, providing the perfect backdrop for the blue wall trim, ocean blue velvet sofa, and collection of Chinese porcelain. An antique Ushak carpet beautifully unites the room's palette, while a striking orchid arrangement by Betsy Ilges rests on a burlwood Parsons-style coffee table. master bedroom draws inspiration from a painting by local artist Julianne David, setting the tone for the room's soft, serene palette. A Stanton bluestone wool rug from Tom Phillips floor covering adds warmth and texture, while the king-size Phillips Scott bed is dressed in luxurious Peacock Alley bedding, paired with a bed skirt and Euroshams and Green Acre fabric by Count & Tout, creating a space that is both elegant and inviting. The Raybons recently added outdoor porch, built by Tim Gregory with a stunning wooden ceiling, has become a favorite extension of their living space. In the fall, the family gathers by the wood-burning fireplace to watch football games, while in the summer, it offers the perfect vantage point to enjoy the children playing in the yard. A striking Pecky cypress mantel by Valley Fir, selected by Robbie, anchors the space, complemented by lighting from Visual Comfort and elegant Summer Classics furniture. The Raybons' backyard is a perfect blend of comfort and family fun. A rectangular gunite pool by Don Dowdy of Pools by Design features an integrated jacuzzi, quickly becoming the favorite spot for the couple's 3 children and their friends. Surrounding the pool, a manicured landscape by Greg Maddox Landscaping of Midland, Georgia, provides a serene and stylish background. Since purchasing their 1980 traditional Georgian home in 2015, Robbie and Frances Raybon have filled it with warmth, style, and cherished family memories. The home's timeless elegance is complemented by the front landscaping, designed and installed by Greg Maddox Landscaping of Midland, Georgia, creating a welcoming first impression that perfectly suits the classic architecture. The outdoor lighting was expertly installed by Bobby Springer, owner of Outdoor Lighting Perspectives.